want to talk about having the transient simulation in PowerFactory. So this is a model that we built in the previous video, and we have a load flow analysis on this one. So in load flow, normally we have the steady state values. So in PowerFactory, if you want to see the transient voltages and the currents, here if you click, we have different toolboxes. So the third toolbox that we have is simulation RMS EMT. If we click on this one, then here we have some options for this kind of studies. So first we should define which variable we want to see. For example, assume that we want to see the current that's flowing from this line. So first, right click, result variables, simulation RMS EMT. Then click on that one. On this window, we selected this one, just double click on this. And here we have the window for defining the variable that we want to see. So in calculation, we want to have the simulation RMS or EMT. So click on simulation EMT. Then here, write current. Then here you can see all variables, including the current. So here, the second one is phase current. Click on that one and click OK. It clears. So now we should make a plot and add the variable that we added. So first, before that, you should add that simulation result into the directory of PowerFactory. So make initial conditional calculation. The first option is RMS. The second one is EMT. So RMS normally use RMS value for the transient, and EMT is instantaneous values. So we have more transient in this one. So click on second option, execute. Then here we have option for inserting the plot. Click on that one. Simulation RMS EMT, curve plot, OK. So here we have a window for adding the element and variable that we want. So element that what we have is only this one. So if we add more elements here, we will have more options. So only here we have this one. And in variable, we have the last one, phase current. Click OK. Now we have a blank plot without anything because we didn't run the simulation. So here we have a start simulation. Click on that one. And here is the time. We can put 2 seconds. Click execute. And we run the simulation. But we cannot see that one. We can see it's down there. So for scaling, here we have 2 options. Scaling on x-axis and y-axis. If we click on scaling y-axis, then we can see it. And here is that. So in 2 seconds, we have this. If you want to zoom, here we have zoom on x-axis. You can click. You can just select a range that you want to see. For example, here. Then you can see the transient waveform of the current. So you can see it's uniform and is nothing changed.